Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, hey, welcome back in. Taking a look out there here, at least in Lexington, things are quieting down for us just a bit. We've got a mostly cloudy to overcast sky, temperatures in the low 60s. The rain settling for us here tonight with winds coming in out of the north at 8 miles an hour, but dew points are still nice and high in the 60s, and that's going to lead to plenty of moisture available for the opportunity of more activity into this evening. But just a quick note, look at this. That front that we had come through is stalled out. We've got 82 down in Harlan, while we've got low 60s for pretty much everybody else. Mid 60s in the in-between there, Somerset to London and Monticello. Those are the current air temperatures right now. As we roll into tonight, those areas have the best chance to see some strong to severe thunderstorms. And as we speak, they are dropping parts of the tornado watch off that was originally until 11 p.m. They've taken away some of those counties now. We will see what that update looks like. The severe threat diminishing for us quickly here as the night rolls on. We are in a gap between the 2 rounds of rain that we are expecting to see here through tonight. Good news is some of the flash flood warnings are also receding, which is nice, but we have plenty more as we go looking towards the west. A few out in eastern Kentucky, a few here in central Kentucky, but the radar right now has rain in western Kentucky that will be working towards us as the night goes on. You see a big gap in activity here if we look from the Jackson scene as well. That doesn't mean that we are done with it by any means. The stalled out front, you saw it on the temperature map. Here it is on satellite and radar. Cloud cover in the southern half of it, rain rolling across the northern half, but more activity off to the southwest in western Tennessee and further back into Arkansas. More of those showers and storms are spawning, and they're just going to ride this line as we head into the overnight tonight. Now, this front will slowly lift back to the north as we go into tomorrow, puts us in more dry time, but as a stronger system comes in for the weekend and a new low pressure center develops, more chances for storms turns right back in for our Saturday. Here's what the severe outlook is for tonight. We might see this get trimmed down with the threat looking like it is weakening quite a bit for us here into the overnight. Tomorrow's chances are going to be limited as well, mainly to our west for severe storms on Friday. Down in Arkansas, though, already a level 4 risk in play. Our bigger thing that we want to focus on is the heavy rainfall leading to more flash flooding. That could be possible not only tonight, but of course into the weekend as well. Our risk for flash flooding is high. It's already ongoing in many instances for us here tonight. The flood watch is still in play through Sunday. You see plenty of these areas from Elliott County to Menifee, Wolf, and Breathitt inside a flash flood warning. Anderson and Mercer, as well as Casey County and Russell County pointing west. Some observed flash flooding ongoing in those locations as well. Look at these rainfall totals that we've had so far here. 2 to 3 to even 4+ inches. Some spots near E-Town over 5. Even radar estimates suggesting this. Pockets of 3 to 4 to 5 already in there with plenty more rain to come. Flash flooding is going to be our main concern with every wave that comes in. Now we've got our map trimmed up just a little bit. This is additional rainfall expected through our Sunday. Still 3 to 4 to 5+, maybe even 6 to 7 more inches. It is continuing to be a severe flooding threat as we head into tonight. Futurecast will show you when that next round of rain starts to roll in. You can see some isolated cells working in by 9 or 10 o'clock here. Heavy bouts of rain, some lightning, possibly some thunder. The severe threat, again, looking a little bit weaker as we roll into the overnight. And here we have more lines of showers and storms coming in after midnight. Can't rule out maybe 1 or 2 of these getting strong enough to produce a severe wind gust, or maybe even having a bit of rotation that might prompt some warnings from that. Ultimately, this does, though, look like just mainly a heavy rainfall event overnight tonight with some gustier showers on the front edge into early Friday morning. You see this, Joe, it just keeps training across the same spots like we've been saying over and over. Now, Friday afternoon, everything lifts to the north. As we get into Friday evening, it starts to drop back to the south. Could see a couple, again, of isolated instances of stronger storms there. But as we roll in towards the weekend, well, it picks up for us once more. We are going to see actually some dry time, especially in southeastern Kentucky, for a good part of our Friday. Flash flooding risk stays well to the west, but then by the time we talk about Saturday again, it's all right back in. Can't be complacent on Friday with the quieter and drier weather expected, because Saturday and into Sunday, heavy rainfall leads to more flash flooding concerns and more risk of strong to severe storms, and once again in an overnight fashion. The next big thing, Friday showing scattered showers and storms into Saturday, but then look at Saturday night. Strong storms start to work in. A line comes in for Sunday morning, and we could be talking about an early wake-up call for our Sunday. As this storm finally wraps up, we'll see quieter weather and cooler temps into next week.